Good morning, students. Today we will start Unit 2, My Country, My India, and following other topics which we'll be looking for. Now, Chapter 8, Awards to Honor. So, students, I have already solved for you people Bharat Ratna, Dada Sahab Phalke Award, Paramveer Chakra, Arjuna Award, राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न, अशोका चक्र, ध्यानचंद अवार्ड, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री नेशनल अवार्ड, शांति स्वरूप भटनागर प्राइज. And if some spellings are not visible, you can take the cue from help box. Now chapter 9, the newly formed Union Territories of India. So students, as you know that last year the state of Jammu and Kashmir, it has been divided into two union territories, namely Jammu and Kashmir and then Ladakh. Now students, if I take the reference year 2019, so now we are having 28 states and 9 union territories. Students, initially Jammu and Kashmir was having its own constitution, as India is having its own constitution. So although Jammu and Kashmir was part of India, but it was having its own single constitution. But now after amalgamation of this Jammu and Kashmir state into union territories, and now they are the part of India, means the union government has the right to govern the region. Now you can see Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Some information is written over there. You just go through it. Now this Article 370 has been abolished by the Union government. Now on page number 17, the questions have been solved by me. You just have a look. 9 union territories are there. Dadar and Nagar Haveli merged in India in 1961. Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti, and then the two union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and then Ladakh. And from which state they have been formed? They have been formed from Jammu and Kashmir. Then largest population UT is Delhi, and then two newly formed union territories there, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Then Haryana and Punjab, their capital is Chandigarh, which is a UT also. Then we have union territory with the smallest population, it is Lakshadweep. Then the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli is Silvassa. Now students, I have already told you that I am giving you the answer with reference to 2019. Because in 2020 there is some information that the union government is going to change the number of union territories furthermore. So I am taking the reference 2019 year. Then in which year was Delhi converted into union territory? It was 1956. Then union territory with a mixed culture of Indian and Portuguese, that is Daman and Diu. Then union territory where Sentinelese tribe are present, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Then chapter 10, Indian fairs. So biggest religious human gathering in the world, it is Kumbh Mela. So somewhere 1 crore of people, they come together in this Kumbh Mela. Then Pushkar Mela of Rajasthan, it is a camel fair. Then Chandrabhaga Mela, and then Hola Mohalla, and then Sonpur Cattle Fair. Sonpur is a region in Bihar. So from help books you can see the spellings properly. Then chapter 11, Indian libraries. You know what library plays a role in our life. Now this Rampur library, it is Raza library. Then we have David Sassoon library. Then State Central Library, which is in Hyderabad. Then Allahabad Public Library. Then Conmera Public Library. And from Hell Books you can see the spellings properly. Now chapter 12, Indian forts. You know what a fort is? Once there lived Nawabs, Raja, Maharajas, kings. So let us see. The first one is Mehrangarh Fort, then Gwalior Fort, then Golconda Fort, then Jaisalmer Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, then Sindhudurg Fort. So from the help book box you can see the correct spellings.